Okay, so this is getting out of hand. Well, we have the leaked Verizon spec sheet that shows the pricing and also almost all the specs. If you want to know all of that, you can check out my website. But here is the biggest thing. We have the first hands-on video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, aside from hands-on photos and also the photos of the S23 Plus, which is just crazy to think about. Now, this all leaks comes from a variety of sources. Now, you can also see the S Pen here, but we have also pictures that shows the S Pen out of that slot, so it looks really good. But this is getting out of hand literally, because we still have quite a few days left, right? If you look at the front of the Galaxy S23 Ultra in a photo, that clearly shows that Samsung is going for the flat display slowly over time. Now we have a display that is almost not even curved, I would say, but it's curved though. But it's not that way you're thinking. The whole display, which is the usable part of the display, is almost not curved, except that 1 or 2 rows of pixels that are just bent like that way. Mostly the bezels are now curved, not the displays. So next year, we're probably gonna get a flat display. But as of now, this is what you're gonna get. But one thing that is still disappointing to me is that the chin is quite thick at the bottom. Like, I expected this year Samsung would do something about it, but no, they're not doing it. And if you guys don't know, whoever owns the S22 Ultra, you have almost the same screen as the S23 Ultra. At least that's what rumors are saying. Because it will not have the 2150 nits of peak brightness that we all are expecting. No, that's not happening. Neither we're gonna have a crazy freaking LTPO 3.0 technology inside. That display is still crazy good, but it's just not, we're not getting the best of the best Samsung panel, the E6 panel this year. But maybe it's just because of cost cutting, because the processors are expensive. Also, the camera sensor is gonna be a crazy bonkers 200 megapixel camera. Now, not a lot of people know about the 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor, which according to reliable leaker Ice Universe is one of the best, or probably the best sensor, the best ISOCELL sensor Samsung has ever made. So if you want to know more about that, I have already made a detailed video on that. But that's not where it ends though. We have also a 200 megapixel photo. First and foremost thing, this is a 12x zoomed one. According to Ice Universe, this photo looks very natural without too many processing involved. So that simply means Samsung is going to the opposite route than they usually do. Now, talking about the Verizon spec sheet, it shows that the Galaxy S23 will come with a 6.1-inch display, Full HD+, 3900 mAh battery, 25-watt fast wired charging, and 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10 megapixel 3x digital zoom camera. Aside from that, it will come with 8GB, 128GB of storage option, and an 8GB, 256GB storage option. It will start at $799 in the US, but everywhere else, it will be costlier though, but by how much, you can check out my recent video on that too as well. I will link down below. The S23 Plus though, it will come with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. The same kind of thing, the 48Hz to 120Hz LTPS panel, it's not so different. 4700 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, 8GB, 256GB of storage option, and a 512GB storage option. So this one is starting at 256 and going to the 512GB. So that's actually good, but it is also starting at $999 just like past years. But the best part is that even the Ultra model is not gonna see a price hike in the US. At least that's what we can see here. This phone will come with a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus display, 5000 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 2 10 megapixel cameras, one 3x, one 10x, and the base model will have 8GB, 256, and then there are going to be 2 more storage variants, 512GB and a 1TB variant, and the 1TB variant is going to be Samsung.com exclusive. Now, as for the color options though, you can see all the color options in the photos already, so I don't have to tell you. But there are going to be a few more color options, so if you really want to grab them like red, gray and all those colors, maybe a light blue color, then those are going to be Samsung.com exclusive. So you have to be crazy fast to buy those because they are going to be limited in numbers. So yeah, that's probably it. Now, if you want to know more about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 powering the S23 Ultra and what it is all about, because it is a custom made one, then you can check out my recent videos on that as well. I will link down below some. Now, aside from all these, we still have quite a lot of things coming about the S23 series and even the future Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Z Flip 5. So definitely keep an eye on this channel or subscribe this channel. Okay, after releasing this free 8K wallpaper pack, here is absolutely stunning 8K wallpaper pack called Light Beam. on any monitor, computer, tablet, or even smartphone, it looks awesome. Want to see right away on your devices? Visit my website, link down below. It's for everything tech, where you will find free watch faces and tons of tech news much faster than these videos. So definitely visit it. Until the next one, bye and take care.